Imagine this. One day you wake up on a super hot day only to find out that you cannot walk, use your hands, or speak. You are alone lying on the bed, and all you need is just a breeze of air from a fan above you, whose switch is placed far away from where you are resting.
Well, this is the reality. For over 1.8 billion people across the globe are dependent to someone else for even the simplest tasks, just like turning on the lights or fan. But what if someone could change that? Something as simple as Blink.
This is a Blinklink system. Blinklink is a smart, affordable, innovative, and comfortable piece of hardware that allows the elderly, paralyzed, and disabled to control remote appliances with just the power of the phone. Now, no need to fiddle with switches or digital buttons or give any kind of complex voice commands. You just need a blink.
Our product uses an electrode placed on the top of the frames of our glasses to detect the changes in capacitance around your eye. Your eyelid is able to cause that fluctuation, using which we can record the position of your eyelid, thus detecting intentional blinks. The glasses also use a gyroscope to activate DVC, where you have the ability to turn on only the appliance you are looking at to avoid interference with other appliances around your home. Whenever we detect a blink and we detect that you want to turn on a device, using a simple AI algorithm, our glasses send a wireless signal to a receiver, which in turn operates the selected appliances using relays. You might be excited to see this product actually being used, right? Here we have one of our friends testing out our glasses. As you can see, there is no need for any physical motion other than blinks. We have tested our product with many more friends and received positive response.
We have multiple competitions such as Meta, Ray-Ban, Amazon Alexa, etc. But no one completely solved this problem, either too expensive or uncomfortable to use. For a comparison, our product costs just rupees 1700 to produce and are super light to use with a simple goal to gain independence, aligning with SDG 3, 9, 10, and 11.
BlinkLink is not just an accessibility device, it's a tool that has the potential to become a spirit of hope for multiple communities around the world. Sometimes even a small blink can be powerful. Sometimes a blink can change lives. You can learn more about the BlinkLink project by visiting our website www.blinklink.tech. And also if you want to learn more about the technology behind BlinkLink, you can view our attached documents. Thank you.